Hello everybody, this is my final project for Circuits Analysis 2, or EE125. What it is a lie detector test, and I have it in this Altoids case for safekeeping. So how it works is I have these two lights in parallel, the green light in parallel with this multi-variable resistor. That allows me to calibrate it to each person, and then runs off a 9-volt battery. These two wires are my finger prongs, so if I put my fingers on there lightly and then press down hard to create a good connection, it'll set off the light. The reason it sets off the light when it's in good connection is because when someone is lying, what theoretically would happen is their hands get clammy and it increases electrodermal activity, so your skin is really going to decrease resistance. So how that works is I got the prongs in parallel with the resistor. That's in series with another resistor. Both resistors are 1 million ohms because your body naturally has very high resistance to it. And that cascades into two transistors. So these are really what separates out the two lights. So it's kind of hard to, especially the lights are in parallel like this, to make it so one light sets off without the other one, or takes away the electricity from the other one. So as you can see, when the red light goes off, the green light pretty much dims out and isn't lit up anymore. But just to show further, like if I dip my hands in water just to show, like, my hands get sweaty or something, if I'm lying, I can put those really lightly on the finger prongs and it'll really set the red light off. But is it really so useful for lying? Maybe not. It's kind of just a fun toy. You'd really have to set somebody up to like a heart monitor to detect a lie like that, but it is a fun little design because there's no code, there's no Arduino, it's all circuits. And it was a really big experiment for me with soldering, so this whole thing is soldered on if you look at the bottom. And the Altoids design I find to be interesting because it kind of looks like something someone would make out of like a sci-fi movie or something. Have my plan out here on the breadboard to help me execute the design beforehand. But yeah, I got the project design off of a project website, for the most part the circuit design, but I changed it up a little bit to help it run better because with the original design I didn't feel like it was detecting things as well. But I'll link that in the description below. So if you guys have any questions for the design or anything like that, please make sure to comment those. And thank you very much for watching my video.